Good morning, it's Chef Bourque. Hey, look here, got to cut grass this morning, so hey, it's real early. You know, this is the only way I get the sweat out my eyes this time of the morning. I love my stuff. I want to tell you a little bit about a group of cookers. They meet every month, the second Saturday of the month in Abbeville, Louisiana, at Palmetto Island State Park. And they cook. You know, they bring their black pots, they bring their cast iron pots. You know, they bring whatever pots they cook in. And they cook on coals, they cook on propane, they cook on wood, just whatever they're comfortable with. And this group is a fantastic group. They're called the Latanier Cookers. That's L-A-T-A-N-I-E-R. Well, let me tell you, they start cooking at 9 in the morning, and by 12 they're serving. Noontime they're serving, and what it is tasting. But when you have like about 30 pots in there, 40 pots in there, 50 pots, you know, everybody brings everything they have up there to the table. The table's about maybe 40 foot long. And you normally have 300-400 people over there. A lot of people camp out at Palmetto Island State Park in Abbeville. They'll camp out for the weekend just for that event, and they really enjoyed it. And it's a family event. You can bring the kids and have a great time. There's a splash pad out there. There's canoe rentals out there. And if you're into wildlife, guess what? You can sometimes see a little black bear, maybe. Yeah, you'll see alligators out there swimming around. You know, this is a wildlife place. You know, this is Louisiana, Shad. This is where it's all good. Anyway, come on out and visit the Latanier Cookers. I had the opportunity to gather up some of their photos and put together a little video of what happened this August the 10th, how they enjoyed themselves, some of their awesome meals. And there's nothing better than to get out there early in the morning and set up and start cooking and, you know, just enjoy yourself, you know, just have a good time. And I mean, people just come from all over the United States just to visit and to see what you got in the pot. That's what they want to see, what you got in the pot. And it's all great. It's great. And hey, anyway, enjoy the video. And this is Chef Bourque. I'll talk with you later. And listen, if you want to join the membership, you know, you want to get on it, go to Facebook, the Latanier Cookers. Check them out on Facebook and join them. They're great. And your family will love it. And hey, I got to cut some grass, Shay. Have a good day. Aye, oh, yeah, baby. Boy, life sure is good, but I got too much grass to cut. Man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, boy, it's early.